I'd have to go Monica. Probably because she's had Christmas music on since like starting November, would you say?
Definitely.
Aye, just non-stop in the gym. You're definitely always up for it, so I'm going to say Carly.
Yeah, I would probably do it, but I definitely wouldn't win it because
well,
my singing is terrible. Oh, Sadie's really good at singing.
Voice,
yeah.
So. Oh, let's go Timsy. She loves to chef it up in the kitchen, always cooks for your house, eh?
She does, she's always cooking for us, man. Monica.
She'd
100%.
probably forget its own and go do a million other things.
100%.
I would go Elf. I just watch it every year. It's so good. It's just 100%. A staple.
When he goes, Senna, I know him.
Fairy Tale in New York would probably be mine.
Mine is All I Want for Christmas, Mariah Carey. Villain, no way.
I don't mind them. Love them when they're like crisped up a bit with like a bit of bacon or something. No, just soggy Brussels sprouts. That's no go. Rudolph.
Vixen.
Prancer.
Dancer.
Vixen? Did you say that?
Did I not just say that? Yeah.
Oh, there's so we're all blessed.
Donna?
Donna the Rudolph.
He's lying.
Rudolph the Rudolph.
Donna the Rudolph.
A cúr gráinche na Nollaig go iontuh, ha sé bhthóiseachtáise idir bhí ag Hearts at the Dheidhinn show.
I felt like we got a good pre-season under our belt, especially going to Spain. I think that helped bring like the team bonding closer. We know we can be the best, so yeah, it's not a surprise of like that we're our second, but I think we've worked dead hard to be there. And yeah, as I say, every game we just try and get 3 points and then see where we end up at the end of the season.
The main thing for me was there was a lot of players that were here last season that are here this season, which maybe hasn't happened before. We've had a good run recently, I would say. Got the momentum, and I think we're just ready to carry that into other games coming up.
Alánas ag Georgia agus Carly chluicheadaireach sòisealtan fadí seach idir go chóirsteach na glún, dithis é pick an bhíos an bhchéile in Nollaig.
I went down and I knew instantly it was an ACL for me. We'd done it 3 months apart, and although it's horrible to say, but I am kind of grateful we had each other throughout it, because that gym is no nice place to be, like yourself, and I think without each other we definitely couldn't have got back to where we are now.
I just remember going down feeling terrible pain, and then next day I woke up, I couldn't move my leg, and then I think that's maybe when we knew something serious was wrong.
I actually chummed Carly to her scan as well, because I was like, I just want to be there for her, I know firsthand like how it felt.
Knowing what's ahead, like she could just tell me like the next steps, like what I'll be going through. I feel like we just know each other inside out now. And obviously being back, like seeing her run for the first time, I was dead emotional. I don't know how she felt. So yeah, I think just having her like a bit ahead of me, just knowing that that's what I'll be going through in a few months, was definitely helped me.
As sé bhí co-cheangailte agus ina lá, ní hiad a càil who's Georgia i dtáiste de fearchas an dlùth.
Getting an injury, an ACL injury, like you just don't know what's going to happen for your rehab, or you're always just looking for that day to come back playing. But I think the feeling when you're back makes everything worth it over how many ever days you were in the gym, and definitely mentally, like it strengthens you. The battles that you go through day in and day out to get yourself back. It's a feeling I've never experienced, like being back on the pitch, and I think, yeah, I'm just so happy to be where I am right now.
A bheith cin Georgia i tílucha na fearcha, a Carly i cointe seoí na haiche se de dhéanú, agus I feasc gus feingad as a cluich.
It's been so long now, 15 months I think it's been, so when the moment comes I think, yeah, it'll be very emotional for me and my family, and yeah, hopefully that's not too long away.
I can't wait until Carly gets back. I think it's been a while since we've played with each other, but we used to argue quite a lot when we played before, but I don't know how that's going to be this time, so hopefully get along a bit better this time, but I think it'll be good. Coming back together, obviously the same position, so we need to see how that works out, but that'll be a good time. I think I'll definitely be emotional when you come onto that pitch beside me.